Just a quick overview on what I've been doing on the truck. So, started putting in the shifter for the 4L60E Chevy transmission. And this shifter is 32 inches long. So you can see it puts it at about midway of the window. I think that's pretty badass. This seat that's in here, I just put it in and it's not gonna work. That's out of a H2 Hummer, the third row seat. And you can see, look how flat that back is. I mean, that would be so uncomfortable trying to drive this thing around. And then you can see how high off the floor it is. This indentation right here was where the fuel tank used to be on this truck. You know, of course it's in the back now, but you can kind of see what I was trying to do there. It just won't work. And I believe the owner's supposed to stop by today sometime and bring in some bucket seats. And then you can see some of the progress I made on the floor. So all I got to do now is I got to make a piece for right here. Probably come down to, I don't know, somewhere in here, and then the tunnel will come this way. So be like kind of like a two-piece tunnel, I guess. It's almost got to be, because if you wanted to lift that floor out of there once I've welded it solid, I mean, you're going to have to go up that high just to lift the floor out of there. But anyways, that's where I'm at. Later.